Hello learners and welcome to self-learning. Today's self-learning brings a topic which will help you enhance your writing skills. It will also help you in your board examination. But before we start today's topic, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications. So let's begin today's topic, transitional devices. What are transitional devices? Transitional devices are words or phrases that help you to smoothly transit from one paragraph to another or from one idea to another. Why are they important? It helps the writer in linking different ideas. They act like a bridge and help to build connections between thoughts. In creative writings, they help relate it to the main theme. Means transitional devices help you to transit from one thought to another or from one paragraph to another, building connection between paragraphs. Now let's look at its types. Types of transitional devices: sequential, example, adverse or contrast, addition. Now let's look under each heading few words which you can use as transitional device. For sequential, first, next, then, at last, initially, subsequently, afterwards, simultaneously, now, before this. When you look at examples, we can use for instance, in another case, in this situation, to demonstrate, to illustrate. When we talk about adverse or contrast, in any case, indeed, however, on the other hand, nevertheless, in contrast, in the meanwhile. When we talk about addition, besides, moreover, furthermore, in addition, in other words, likewise. These are only few examples of transitional devices. There are many other subheadings, and under each heading there are many examples and the words you can use as transitional device. These words will help you to bring connection, to make connection and to build meaning from one paragraph to another. I hope this topic will help you improve your writing skills. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment and subscribe the channel. Happy learning!